Alright folks, it's a lazy gardener here. I just wanted to bring attention to just makes a big difference when you don't have the heating pads on. I have not watered these now in over a week. As you can see, they're still plenty soaked. Of particular attention I thought I'd bring up, this is that potato plant I started from an eye that broke off. I had a little old lady I used to help all the time. She told me she used to just pluck the eyes off and plant them, and I didn't believe that worked. Well, this one broke off as I was prepping my potatoes, and sure enough, there it goes. Now these, of course, are getting much bigger. So are these, but you'll notice how nice and dark green they are. We are going to pause for a second. We're going to go outside the ones that have been hardening for 2 weeks. So here are the ones that we transplanted 2 weeks ago. You can see how those roots are just, I mean, these were all pushed down. There were no roots up here. Everything was down at the bottom. Planted these higher. But you'll notice as they've been hardening, I take this poor guy. Look at that stem. These are all now completely hard, but you'll notice they're just a slightly different shade of green because they've been outside. Direct sunlight, rain, all that happy stuff. Of course, they're growing nicely, so we're getting ready to take most of these to a farmer's market to sell the ones that I'm not going to keep for my own purposes. But whoever gets these, they're going to be real happy because they're, you know, if you don't have fully hardened plants and you like the ones downstairs and you plant those ones downstairs outside, they're going to get stunted. They're going to get stunted hard. These are just going to take off. So until next time.